Are you preparing for the Cambridge Pet Speaking Test and feeling a little nervous? Don't worry, you're in the right place. In just a few minutes, I'll show you what to expect, give you easy tips to speak with confidence, and I'll explain the marking criteria. Let's get started and take the first step toward passing your exam. All right, the speaking test takes about 12 minutes. You'll be paired with another candidate, and there are 2 examiners. One examiner talks to you while the other listens and gives you a score. The speaking test has 4 parts. Part 1 is a brief introduction with questions to each candidate. Then, in Part 2, each candidate has to describe a different photo. In Part 3, you will interact with the other candidate, and in Part 4, you'll be asked to give your own opinions about a specific topic. I'm going to go through each part, show you what you'll need to do, and give you some tips. Let's go through Part 1. Here, the examiner will ask you simple questions about yourself. Questions like, what's your name? What do you do? What did you do yesterday evening? Tell us about the people you live with. It's like a short conversation with the examiner, nothing too difficult. Okay, tips for Part 1. Use full sentences. For example, if they ask, what's your name? Say, my name is David. Extend your answers. Don't stop at just 1 or 2 words. For example, to the question, what do you do? Instead of saying, I'm a student, say something like, I'm a student. I'm studying history at university. And finally, speak clearly and don't worry about small mistakes. Next is Part 2. Here, you'll see a photo and you'll have to describe it. Try to speak for about 1 minute. These are examples of what the photos may look like. So, how do you speak for a minute? First, organize what you say. Start with the people and where they are. Then describe the main things in the picture. Remember to use the present continuous when describing what people are doing or wearing. Second, speculate. Talk about what you think is happening. Use modal verbs like could, may, or might. For example, this might be a birthday party because I can see 2 people with presents. In Part 3, you'll talk to the other candidate. You'll be given a situation to discuss, like planning a day out or choosing a gift. You'll have 2 minutes to discuss the situation and make a decision. It's important to share your ideas and respond to your partner. Let's look at an example. A young man works hard and has only 1 day off a week. He wants to find a relaxing activity. Talk together about the different activities he could do and decide which one is best. So, how would you interact with the other candidate? Talk about each picture before you make a decision. Choose the pictures that you think are easier to talk about and discuss those first. Contribute to the discussion. For example, what about swimming? Do you think it's relaxing? Keep the conversation going. Agree or disagree, but explain why. You can use different expressions like, I agree because, or, that's a good idea, but I prefer. Show that you listened. Respond to your partner before adding your own ideas. And finally, use body language. Look at your partner, not the examiner. In Part 4, the examiner will ask you both questions about a topic. Usually the topic is related to what you discussed in Part 3. You should give your opinion and explain your reasons. This part is similar to Part 1, but it focuses on a specific topic. So here are some tips. Use full sentences. Extend your answers. Don't just stop at yes or no. Explain why or why not. For example, is it important to do exercise in your free time? Instead of just saying, yes, I think it's good, you could say, yes, I think it's important because it helps you stay healthy and reduces stress. Now I'm going to explain the marking criteria. What examiners are looking for. Examiners give marks in 5 areas: grammar and vocabulary. Examiners want to see that you can use a variety of grammar structures correctly. They also check if your vocabulary is appropriate for the topic. It's better to use a range of vocabulary rather than repeating the same simple words. For example, in part 3, when replying to your partner, instead of always saying, "Yes, I agree," try using other expressions like, "Yes, I do," "I think so too," or "I feel the same." And instead of always asking, "What do you think?" you can say, "How do you feel about it? Would you say the same?" Or, "Do you think that's right?" Pronunciation. You don't need to sound like a native speaker, but you should speak clearly and stress the right parts of words. This helps the examiner and your partner understand you more easily. Discourse management. This is about how well you develop your ideas. What you say should be relevant to the topic and expressed clearly. It helps to use connecting words like and, but, because, or also to link your ideas. Interactive communication. Show good communication with your partner. Listen, respond, and help keep the conversation going. For example, if your partner shares an opinion, you can agree, add more information, or give your own point of view in a polite and friendly way. Global achievement. This is about your overall performance during the test. Examiners will look at how well you communicate your ideas. Small mistakes or short pauses are normal. That's okay. The most important thing is that your message is clear and that you can communicate well. And remember, you're not compared to your partner. The examiners only score what you say. To sum up, the main tips you need to remember to succeed in the exam are: use full sentences and try to expand your answers. Don't worry about small mistakes. Don't let these mistakes worry you. Just continue with the test. Listen carefully. And if there's something you don't understand, just ask. Stay relaxed and smile. It really helps. Remember, this test is about communication, not perfection. So be natural, speak clearly, and show what you can do. You've got this. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe for more English lessons.